Hey, this is Austin. I'm the owner of Thunder Sun Homes, and I'm going to talk to you about our position that we're hiring for, the project manager. So, what the project manager does on our team is that they take the properties that we buy, and they could be really run down, really beat up properties, and they take them from wherever they're at and revive them, put in work, oversee the project all the way until they are finished, whether we're flipping the property or turning it into a rental. They get to take just an ugly duckling and really make it beautiful and make it shine. So if you love seeing the fruits of your hard work, seeing that terrible before picture and the amazing after picture, just love the idea of taking something that's run down and reviving it, then this might be the position for you. Now, in our business, the project manager is extremely, extremely important because as a project manager, you allow us to buy all the properties that we do. We're able to buy properties that others in town either can't or just maybe they're afraid of them because we've done every type of construction that there is. We've remodeled from basically the ground up, redoing foundation, studs. We don't do new construction, but we've rebuilt every single element of a house many times over. So the project manager is the person on our team that allows us to do this, and they really open up all of the types of properties that we can buy because they're able to renovate just about anything. Because of that, the project manager needs to be someone that's organized, a go-getter, someone that just goes out there and works hard and networks and gets along with people, and then someone that's an excellent problem solver because I won't sugarcoat it. Problems come up all the time. Unexpected things in projects comes with it. So you need to be a good problem solver. So how to be successful as a project manager at Thunder Sun Homes is actually really simple because we have a strong pipeline of deals coming in. We average well over 10 construction projects going on at any given time. Our average has been way, way higher than that. And so we've got tons of opportunity. So to be successful, all you're really doing is just looking at the project and matching it with someone that is motivated to work and wants to earn a living and setting them up for success to work on that project. And kind of in a nutshell, there's lots of things that go with project management, but that's what you're doing is matching people that are looking for opportunities to work, that are skilled, with the opportunities that we have to work on our projects and earn money. If something like that sounds interesting, exciting to you, it gets you going, just know that if you join our team, our training is top notch. We invest heavily, heavily into everyone on this team. We have all the resources that you're going to need, and we will do our best to make sure that you're successful in the position and just well trained and in the know with everything that you could possibly need to know. And this is a growing company. So, by the way, personal growth is our first core value. That goes in with the training, but it also goes with the way that this company is going. We have steadily and consistently grown quarter over quarter, year over year for quite a while here in the Lubbock area. And we're looking for someone that is not only going to just be able to keep up with where we're at right now, but someone that is looking for growth in their career, is looking for a long-term place where they can make a big impact. They can be a huge, important piece of a team and help that company grow, help that company get to the next level. That's really the type of person we're looking for. The last thing I'll leave you with is our mission statement. And it's simple. It's helping you advance in life. And as a project manager, you get to be out on the front lines, really providing work for people. And a lot of times, especially with all the craziness that has gone on since the pandemic and since 2020, just being able to provide consistent, reliable income for people can be huge. It can provide that stability that they need in their lives to do what they truly want to do in their personal lives, whatever that is. So as the project manager, you get to live out our mission statement of helping you advance in life by working with these contractors and keeping them busy and giving them that income and that security that a lot of them really crave and that is often elusive in the construction world. So if everything I've talked about sounds interesting and it sounds like something that you want to learn more about, I'd love to invite you to apply with us. And we look forward to seeing your application, talking to you, getting to know you, and exploring the possibility of you joining our team. Thanks.